Conversations were focused on grid reliability and resiliency, and that is also combined with future grid affordability. We provide a significant improvement for the utilities to manage the grid, improve the reliability, and solve most of their challenges. Reliability today are faced with the following challenges. That the energy demand is growing dramatically due to the fact that we are bringing more manufacturing to the United States, and AI and development and Bitcoin mining. That creates a huge demand for energy, where utilities today already see power congestions, they see service costs going up, they see reliability of the grid as a problem. So this, if you take the demand that's growing up and the issue with the grid that is also not diminishing, it creates a big problem for DOE and the energy industry. We heard repeatedly that utilities today are not able to cope with wildfires, with the harsh environmental conditions that are changing very rapidly, with growing demand for energy and growing service costs for power grids. That was a repetitive discussions that we had with the utility. In all of this, we can help utilities to improve performance, since we offer a comprehensive monitoring solution that can help utilities manage the grid more effectively, reduce the service cost and power outages, and improve the demand or power congestion resolution for the grid that we have today.